Paul, we're at FANUCS UK's headquarters. We're going to be talking about robots today. We've got 2 robots here behind us, but there's a lot more than that in the range. How many are there?
There's a vast number. If we look at the number of robots with the different configurations, over 1,600 different configurations of standard products.
And just to give us a flavour of how many of these you sell, what are the numbers per month? How many robots would FANUCS manufacture?
Well, all our manufacturing is done in Japan, and currently we're manufacturing 6,000 robots per month.
That's a big number. So where do most of them go? Is there a specific industry, or is it just very, very broad?
It's very, very broad. Obviously, the automotive industry is still the largest user of industrial robots. The biggest applications are still probably spot welding, assembly, arc welding.
You're going to come at this from being a complete novice here, Paul. And I look at some of the specifications of the robots that we've got behind us, and it says things like the repeatability, the positional accuracy, the amount of axes on them. Does that vary a lot from robot to robot?
Not a great deal. It is specific really to the payload and the reach of the robot, and then really into the environment and the application. So sometimes you require higher repeatability than other times.
And what these behind us have 6 axes. Do they go less than that and more than that as well?
Yes, there are. There's 4-axis robots. We do have one robot which is a 7-axis robot, which has got a sort of a joint in the middle of axis 3. But generally, most of our robots are 6-axis, other than a 4-axis palletizer.
And how big do they go? What is the biggest robot that you do?
Well, we manufacture the largest industrial robot on the market, which carries 2.3 tonnes.
Is that the one that was picking a car up at a recent show?
That's the one, yeah.
That is some robot. All right, what about on the other end of the scale, the smallest that you go?
The smallest we do at the moment is 6-axis is the CR4, so that will be 4 kilograms payload and 500 millimetres of reach.
And do you ever supply these as standalone units, or do they tend to be come in as a package, as a cell, for example?
Both, really. Sometimes customers want to buy a robot and do something with it themselves. System integrators will buy the robots from us and put them into a system for an end user customer. And sometimes end users want to buy the robot and do their own integration.
And is that integration easy? If I was an end user and I came along and I just wanted a solution like this, how long would it take me to get it integrated?
How long's a piece of string? That's very difficult to say. It depends on the application, what it is you're doing. It could be very quick. With the collaborative robot, for instance, is very quick. It could take 6 months or more. It depends on your application and how complicated it is. And
here we're in the showroom here at FANUCS UK on Anstey Park, which is hugely impressive. But in the works area as well, you've got a lot of robots going through, haven't you? That are part of kind of installations with robo drills and your EDM machines. You can integrate with the whole works, can't you?
Yes, we can. Yeah. There's very long list of applications: palletizing, welding, machine tending, assembly, special purpose machines.
And would you use these robots in conjunction with your vision systems as well, commonly?
Yes, we have our own vision system called FANUCS IR Vision, and it's software which is integrated into the FANUCS robot control, can be programmed through the teach pendant. That comes in 3D vision for things like bin picking, or 2D vision in either colour or black and white.
Are you the world leaders at robotics?
Yes, we are. We sell probably more robots than anybody else in the marketplace, and we actually have over 2,000 robots manufacturing all FANUCS products in Japan. So it's FANUCS robots made by FANUCS robots.